Hello again. Today we have a Samsung laptop. We have to open it, clean it, replace the thermal paste and so on. The model is Samsung NP-RC730. The laptop hasn't been open for the past 1 or 2 years, and the customer is a smoker, so the laptop should be quite dirty inside. So let's start. Of course, the first thing we have to take out the battery. Just slide it like this. Now on this model I think we only need to remove the back cover, but we'll see. We're gonna start with removing the screws on the covers. This should slide backwards here, like this. Now we have two hard drives. Yeah, so just keep in mind which one is on which side. Should be easier. Ah no, this is empty, sorry. We only have one here. Just leave the hard drive and disconnect the cable. Now we have to remove all the screws in the back and the optical drive. All the screws I think are the same size except the one which are under the battery. So let's start. See the boring part. Yeah, they're the same so far. Now we have a mark here, which means there is a screw under the rubber, so we have to remove it. And we have two screws here under the battery. And now I think we should be able to lift the cover. Let me just try with something. Oops, sorry. Let me check, is there anything under this rubber here? No, okay. So we just have to open this side, I guess. Something is stuck. We have a clips here which needs to be open. Oops. Yeah, be careful with the clips here under the battery. They're quite tight. Now, don't forget to tie the hinges, of course. Let's disconnect the fan. Now we have to remove the screws for the CPU and the GPU. The paste is in a good condition. Let's see how is the fan inside. We have some screws here. You have to lift it on this side and then slide it back in order to be open. Actually, not that bad. I don't know why the customer is complaining. We want to clean also the inside. I'm going to use a vacuum cleaner. I'm going to stop the video for a while just to clean everything, and we'll be right back. Now, I did clean the fan a little bit with the brush and the vacuum cleaner. Now we're gonna clean the inside, put some oil on it. Usually I clean the inside with some alcohol. I am using a regular machine oil. It does the job. Usually smoking with the dust is not a very good combination because it's getting very sticky. Now we're gonna put back the fan. Let me just see how that was. Yeah, like this. We want to put the screws. And then we're going to clean the paste. Let's remove the big pieces on the side so it doesn't make a lot of mess. Actually, it's a little bit dry, so I guess it was time to be replaced. Now let's clean with some alcohol. Let's clean a little bit more. Like this, the fan is rotated freely. Now, since we cut the old cover, I'm gonna put some tape, just a regular electric tape. Will do the job. Sometimes people ask me what they can replace it with. You can use any tape. This is basically for stability. Like this. Now let's apply the paste. Arctic MX4, decent paste, good quality, not very expensive. Try not to make a lot of mess, otherwise next time you'll have to clean more. Now let's put the cooler back. will check the screws always. Let's connect the fan. Let me clean the back cover a little bit because it's also very dirty. Now let's put it back. First, put the side with the USBs. This way you're gonna align the back cover properly, and then just push it. Now the only thing left to do is just put all the screws back, which is the boring part. You can skip that if you like. Now we have to put the connector for the second hard drive. And we have to put the main hard drive, of course. Be careful with these connectors with the time, because this is an old laptop. The plastic is getting very fragile and you can break the connector very easily. Let's put the battery back and see is there any battery. Here we have a battery, we have a picture. Yeah, it's loading the windows. Basically that's the whole video. Sometimes not everything going very smoothly according to the plan. We had a little problem with the plastics under the battery. Well, the camera is not focusing. Yeah, we had some problem with one of the plastics, but in the end we did replace the paste, we cleaned the fan, we put some oil on it, so right now the laptop should work fine. Basically that's the whole video. I hope you like it. Hit the like button, you can even subscribe to the channel. Bye bye for now.